Hello, good morning. My name is Tushar Modi and I'm going to represent the topic creation of competitive advantage based on innovation. So this is basically our outline presentation, which is introduction to competitive advantage and innovation, types of innovation, incremental innovation, disruptive innovation, architectural innovation, radical innovation, maintain competitive advantage through innovation, creating innovation strategies, and conclusion. So basically, introduction to competitive advantage and innovation. Competitive advantage refers to the factor that allow a company to produce goods or services better or more cheaply than its rival. These factors allow productive entity to generate more sales or superior margin compared to its market rival. Innovation is practical implementation of idea that results in introduction of new goods or services or improvement in offering goods or services. So basically, there are four types of innovation: incremental innovation, architecture innovation, disruptive innovation, and radical innovation. Incremental innovation. Incremental innovation entails gradual developing concepts, products, or services in existing market. With this type of innovation, new products are slightly better than their previous versions, incorporate only minor modification to current product formulations or service delivery techniques. Without compromising the product's essential functions, you can make the product more compact, user-friendly, appealing, and efficient through through continuous development. A basic example is like each new version of Apple iPhone that comes out is typically an incremental innovation. iPhone features such as camera and processor are tweaked to make an improvement on the previous model. Disruptive innovation. Disruptive innovation is mostly associated with applying new technologies, processes, or disruptive business models to existing industries. Sometimes new technologies, business models seem, especially in the beginning, inferior to the existing solution, but after some iteration, they surpasses the existing model and take over the market due to efficiency or efficacy advantages. So, in disruptive innovation, we can take an example of tablet tablet computer disrupted the laptop sales due to their versatility and portability. The, the emergence of the personal computer disrupted the dominance of the mainframe and made it possible for everyone to have a computer in their home. In their home. Architectural innovation. Architectural innovation is something we see when a tech giant like Amazon, Google, and many more at the moment they take their domain expertise, technology, and skill and apply them to a different market. In this way, they can open new markets and expand their customer base. Like some some firms have leveraged solar cell technology to produce small outdoor ground lighting. This created a whole new group of consumers who who decorate their yards with these environmental friendly lights. Vertical innovation. Even it is a stereotypical way most people see innovation. It is the rarest form of them all. Vertical innovation involves creation of technology, services, and business models that open up entirely new markets. Like radical innovation, we can take example of Apple AirPods can be considered a radical innovation. Apple developed an earpiece that uses wireless technology to receive Bluetooth signal. Now we see people with earbuds in their ears before they wouldn't have been using the wired before before they would not have been using the wired earphone nearly or as much. Maintaining competitive advantage through innovation. Innovation capability is a key productivity that creates competitive advantage by perceiving or discovering the new or better way to compete in an industry and launch them into market. One of the success factor depends on the innovation's relative advantage. The long run maintaining product innovation is the way to sustain competitive advantage and drive the growth of productivity for further competitiveness of the company. However, the product innovation always comes along with new process technology. Maintaining a competitive advantage through innovation, we can take the example of Apple. Apple is one of the innovative companies that different from others in the market. Apple's products are created with uniquely fashionable style, which causes its brand image be impressed in the customer's mind. Is impressed in the customer's mind. Research and development team designed the product from integrating internal technology capacity and external consumer need. Apple got competitive advantage from its innovation and sustained by creating new product innovation continuously, such as iPhone and iPad. We can take another example of IBM. IBM is one of the most innovative company in hardware and software technology. IBM is one of the innovative ideas designed to be deployed in various modes for suitability with each company. For example, during the process of IBM invested high amount of money to innovate internet-based products. While the competitors struck with this problem, Gerstner believed that internet is not only for advertised to, but also a main vector to drive e-commerce business. I mean, innovate virtual computer to share over all resources and data in order to save time and cost. From this innovative strategy, IBM gets competitive advantage and has become leading technology company. Creating an innovation strategy. The first stage of innovation strategy is gathering data about your customer and competitors. The second stage is the creative stage, finding the ways to do, but what do better than your competitors in a way that better satisfy your customer overhead and underlying needs that identify. And third and fourth stages are developing them, then implementing your ideas. In creation or in creation and creating an innovation strategy, the first stage of an innovation strategy is gathering data about your customer and competitors. But you need to ask, but there are some questions too. What are your competitor doing better than you? What are you, what are you and they doing the same? What are your customer looking for, both in terms of service and product and in terms of experience? You should look to identify customer needs that are not currently met, both functionally and emotionally, and as well as their frustration, uh, as they as they can provide, and as their frustration as they can provide a potential area of innovation, as this can provide a potential area of innovation. So basically the conclusion is that while innovation is a process where research and development and implementation of ideas are important as ideas themselves, it is important to recognize that ideas are the currency of competitive success. So creating a company culture that produces a flow of ideas could be secret sauce that will enable your company to thrive and win. And innovation is basically a critical ingredient for progress, evolution, and success. Innovation is not a syndrome for creativity. Creativity is integral to innovation, but innovation also involves strategic implementation of new idea in a way that solves a problem or improves business and improve lives. And much of the time, it is the business that are leading the and much of the time, and it is the business that are leading the way. Innovation can allow you to outperform and become the standout firm in your field. So, thank you.